Hi everybody. This is going to be our first video that we're going to do, and we just want to talk a little bit about our adventure yesterday. We did a hike out on the Hoh Trail. That's H-O-H. It's about an hour away from where we're staying now in La Push, Washington, and it was really amazing. It was a rainforest that was established thousands of years ago by glaciers. They get about 140 inches of annual precipitation, which is incredible. But in some of the video clips that you're going to see, it just doesn't do it justice. And from the photos and the videos, it was just really incredible. Some of the things you're going to see at the end of the videos is what they call a nursing log, which a down tree falls and then seedlings fall into it and sprout new trees over time. And it's just an amazing thing to see, that just the size and the colors and the smell of the air was just incredible. And so again, I hope you enjoy it. It's just going to be a short little about 10-minute video of what we did yesterday. We did one hike was called the Spruce Trail, and then the other one was called the Hall of Mosses Trail. Each one was just about a mile long each. It wasn't very long. It wasn't crowded, which was nice. We're in the shoulder season right now, which is September, which is nice. And it was a Monday. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it. And we'll see you guys here shortly with some other videos coming out in the next few days. Thank you.